Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my November Grandma in a Box. Oh my gosh, guys, I absolutely love this box. I'm so excited. If you're curious to see what this box is all about, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have one of my favorite subscription boxes. I look forward to this one every single month, and that one is Grandma in a Box. Now, if you guys don't know what this subscription is, it's a subscription service that gives you everything you need to make 3 fun treats every single month. Most of them are holiday themed or seasonal themed, that kind of thing. They're so super fun and they taste so great. Now, I gotta say, my first experience with this box didn't go as planned. I didn't follow all the instructions. I even got scolded by Grandma Terry in the comments. No, I'm just kidding. She left a very pleasant comment, but she did mention it's very important to read all of the instructions, which I clearly did not do, and my cookies didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted them to, but they still turned out okay. So, without further ado, let's see what they sent this month in this box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. So cute. They have their little logo here, and it says Grandma in a Box. Let's pop it open and see what they put in this month. So exciting. So it says November 2020 Thanksgiving treats. Yay! Okay, guys. So the last time I did this, I did not do it right. So let's see if I can do this a little bit better. This tells me the contents, but I wanted to see the contents for each project. Okay, so if I turn it to the back, I didn't do that last time. I was totally not paying attention. But at any rate, here is how cute is that? Here's the inside with the little polka dot tissue paper. So cute. Love this. Okay. Let me open this bad boy up. Oh, so cute, guys. Oh, so exciting. It's so fall. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to make these. Okay, so the first project is called Acorn Kisses. Oh, so cute. So I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but that's kind of what they look like. So for this project, we're going to need the melting chocolate, which they provided. And we will also need Hershey Kisses, again, which they provided. Everything you need is here, guys. All the major things you need. And then vanilla wafers. Oh, how cute. These little guys. They're little bear. So cute. Okay, so we have our little vanilla wafers, and the chocolate chips were also in with vanilla wafers. So that's all the stuff for the first project. The second project is Goofy Turkey Buddies. I don't know if you guys are able to see these. I hope you're seeing them. Super cute. Okay, so for this project, let me turn it to the back. We will need some more of the melting chocolate, and they do that a lot. They'll give you enough melting chocolate for both of the projects you need it for, and they kind of schedule them back to back. So they have project 1, project 2. You should do them in the order that they tell you to. Just saying. Okay, so then you also need some pretzel rods, which are right here. Then you'll need some candy corn. Oh, I love candy corn. Most people hate it. Dude, I could eat bag after bag after bag of this stuff. Love it. Okay, so we have the candy corn, and then we need coated sunflower seeds. Oh, that's interesting. Coated sunflower seeds? I don't even know that I'm a sunflower seed fan, but here they are with some little googly eyes. Yeah, candy eyes are also part of this project. So that's everything for the next project. And then we have one more project, the fall cookies. Yay! This is so great, guys. So exciting. I'm hoping that you guys can see this. Okay, so for this one, they provide all different kinds of sugar cookies. So we have a leaf shape here. And then the back one is an acorn. So you get 2 leaves, it looks like, and 2 acorns. And then this one here, we have a turkey. That's a turkey. And I'm actually not sure what that shape is, but I'm sure that they'll show me some ideas in the pictures here. So we have the cookies, and then they provided the frosting in 3 different colors, the orange, the yellow, and the chocolate color, brown, whatever. So you have that, and then you have all kinds of fun little decorative things to put on your cookies. Awesome! Okay, guys, so we are going to go... Ooh! They're having a Black Friday sale, guys. It's on November 27th, and it's called Baker's Dozen. 13 boxes and 20% off. So December 2020 plus all of 2021, you only pay $230. So there you go, guys. Let me just zoom in on that for you guys. Ba-bam, ba-boom. And yeah, pretty awesome for those of you interested in this box. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into me making all this stuff, and hopefully it turns out this time. Okay, guys, so project number 1 is Acorn Kisses. The supplies we'll need for this one is the melting chocolate, the Hershey Kisses, the little wafer cookies with the mini kisses, a microwave safe bowl, a spoon, and we will have our little wax paper off to the side there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is unwrap all of your Hershey Kisses to get them ready for whatever we're going to do here. Next, we are going to just go ahead and get our wafer cookies all laid out, as well as the mini little kisses. I just like to have everything laid out for whatever project I'm going to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my melting chocolate, put it into the microwave safe bowl. I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds, stir, 30 seconds, stir again, and then another 10 seconds. And this is what it looks like after I've done all of that. Okay, so we're going to want to take one of our little wafer cookies. We're going to take the back of our spoon, add a little dollop of chocolate on there, and place our little kiss on top of it. We're going to sit these onto the wax paper, and these are going to take about 5 minutes to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next project because we need the melting chocolate for that as well, and that would be the Goofy Turkey Buddies. So for this one, you're going to need the melting chocolate, the pretzel rods, the candy corn, the little googly eyes, and the sunflower seeds, and whatever sprinkles you want to use if you choose to use any. Okay, so we're going to take a spoonful of chocolate and we're just going to place it onto the wax paper. It's going to be about a little bit larger than the size of a quarter. Take your little pretzel rod and roll it in that chocolate and leave it all sit on the wax paper just like that. Then you're going to go ahead and start decorating. So I'm going to grab the candy corn, and you can use 3 to 4 of these, whatever you feel looks good. I'm just placing them off on the sides here. I guess it's supposed to be like feathers. And then you're going to take your little candy eyes and put those in place. And then the little sunflower kernel thingamabobber for your nose. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some of these, I don't know what these are called, these ones. But anyways, I'm going to just put some of those sprinkles on there. And then you're going to want to leave this one sit for about 5 minutes as well. So while those ones are drying, I'm going to go ahead and finish the first project. Take the other end of the wafer cookie, place a little bit of chocolate on there, and put the little kiss on top. And after that's done, these look like acorns. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, I just want to show you here. You'll just plop those right off the wax paper, and that's what they look like. Looking pretty good. So, project number 3 is the fall cookies. Okay, so of course we have our little cookie shapes right here. We have all of the sanding sugar type things. I have a paper plate and the icing, as well as some scissors. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and work my icing in. I didn't do this last time and it was a huge failure, so I want to make sure that it's ready to go. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and cut just the tips off of the icing bags here to get them ready for decorating. And what I want to show you here is one of my cookies broke, which stinks, but it's not a big deal. Just take some of your royal icing and put it wherever the break is and put it back together. Good as new. Won't even know. By the time you're done decorating, you won't be able to see that crack. Okay, so now I'm going to start by outlining my sugar cookies. I go ahead and outline them all first, and then I go back in and flood the insides. So now that they're all lined, I'm going to go ahead and do like an acorn kind of a thing with this. So the bottom will be orange, then that next part is going to be yellow, and since we don't have a white icing this time, I'm just going to leave that top part empty. And this one will be done after I do that. Pretty easy. And I'm just using the tip of the icing bag to flood it, but you can use a toothpick as well, and that is what is suggested. So now I'm going to go ahead and just go in with my yellow, which seems to be a better consistency than the orange. Now I'm moving on to the leaves, and I'm just going to outline them with the yellow, and then I'll do the other one with the orange icing. And then I'm going to take that brown icing, use that on the very tip of it, and then just outline like a leaf looking thing, I guess you can say, on the center. Then I'm going to grab the sanding sugar. I'm going to place my cookie onto the paper plate and put some of that sugar onto the leaf just to give it a little bit more color. And then I just finished decorating the cookies in random ways, and when everything's done, this is what it looks like. They turned out okay, guys, but again, I struggled with that icing. Even though I worked in the icing, it still wanted to separate, and I had some trouble with it, but overall, they turned out really cute. And you know what, guys? The bottom line is this is super fun, and they taste delicious. So I highly suggest this box. Okay, guys, so there you go. Hopefully everything turned out great this time. I'm filming this prior to making all the stuff, but hopefully I followed the instructions and paid close attention to what you're supposed to do. That way everything will turn out the way that I'm intending for it to and not a hot mess like last time. Nonetheless, guys, don't forget about that 20% off sale. Jump over to the Gramma in a Box site and check out their Black Friday sale if you're interested in this box. I absolutely love it. It is so fun to do even if you don't have kids. Yes, it is fun to do with kids, but it's fun to do without kids because mine isn't even old enough to do this yet, and I love it. I'm just saying. And I'm usually the one that eats all the treats. Wow. Maybe that's why I can't lose weight. Nonetheless, I love this box, and I hope you guys do too. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have a lot more fun videos coming up very soon, and I wouldn't want you to miss any of them. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ann Bazaar's D. Is my hair messed up? Ugh. It's like this one piece doesn't want to cooperate. I hate that. Oh, guys, I'm so excited to make the things in this box. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a company that's a What is it? What is it? Try it again.